This is how to change over a CE15. First, we'll select the recipe that we want to change over to. Changeover values. So the first change point on a CE15 is the magazine deck height. Move over into the machine, use our crank handle, and set it on change point 1's location. We'll kneel down and look at our scale. Move it into position. Replace the crank handle. Change point 2 is the magazine overhead. That'll be at the top of the machine. Change point 3 is the magazine width, using the crank handle from change point 1. Change point 4, adjustable Pickoff cup height. Right in front here, there's 2 orange kip handles. We'll loosen them to adjust. Change point 5 is the flight width. Change point 6 is the flight overhead height. Change point 7 is the setup adjustable cup. Change point 8 is the adjustable trailing cup height. Change point 9 is the magazine anti-kickback. It just rests on the top of the case. This change point helps the cases not fall backwards on the magazine with the prongs that are attached.